Chemical bonding and molecular structure. In general, the highest or lowest electronegative element occupies the central position. Lowest. Formal charge formula is total number of valence electrons in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding lone pair electrons minus of total number of bonding shared electrons. Total number of valence electrons in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding lone pair electrons minus of into total number of bonding shared electrons. Total number of valence electrons in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding lone pair electrons minus of into total number of bonding shared electrons. Formal charge indicates real charge separation within the molecule. False. Generally, the lowest energy structure is the one with the highest or smallest formal charge. Smallest. Difference between van der Waals and covalent radiuses. Covalent radius is the radius of an atom's core which is in contact with the core of an adjacent atom in a bonded situation. Van der Waals radius represents the overall size of the adjacent atom in a Van der Waals radius represents the overall size of the atom which includes its valence shell in a non-bonded situation. Covalent radius is the radius of an atom's core which is in contact with the core of an adjacent atom in a bonded situation. Van der Waals radius represents the overall size of the atom which includes in its valence shell in a non-bonded situation. Covalent radius is the radius of an atom's core which is in contact with the core of an adjacent atom in a bonded situation. Van der Waals radius represents the overall size of the atom which includes its valence shell in a non-bonded situation. Bond angle of water is 104.5 degree. 104.5 degree. Isoelectronic molecules have identical bond orders. True. In resonance, the molecule exists for a certain fraction of time in one canonical form and for other fractions of time in other canonical forms. False. Dipole moment is equal to A into B. Tell A and B. Charge into distance. 1D is equal to dash centimeter. 3.33564 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. 3.33564 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. 3.33564 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. In chemistry, the dipole moment direction is from positive to negative. True. The smaller the size of the cation, greater will be the covalent character. True. The larger the size of anion, smaller will be the covalent character. False. The greater charge on cation means greater covalent character. True. Transition metals are more polarizing than alkali and alkaline earth metals. True. Greater the polarizability of anion, lesser the covalent character. False. Lone pair repulsion is less than lone pair bond pair repulsion. False. Example of molecules with T shape. ClF3. BRFI shape is square pyramidal. Bond angle in NH3 is 107 degree. 21 SF4 most stable shape is seesaw. Most stable structure of ClF3 is dash shaped. T-shaped. Extent of PP overlapping is more than SS overlapping. True. Angle in sp2 hybridization 120 degree. Angle in sp3 hybridization 109.5 degree. 109.5 degree. 109.5 degree. The energies of 3p and 4s are comparable. False. 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 Hybridization in NiCN the whole bracket 4 whole power 2 minus is dsp2. 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 Hybridization in SF6 is sp3d2. 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 Hybridization in BRF5 sp3d2. 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 Hybridization in CRF6 whole 3 minus d2sp3. 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 Axial bond pairs suffer more repulsive interaction from the equatorial bond pairs. True. 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 Energies of sigma 2pz molecular orbital is higher than that of pi 2px and pi 2pi molecular orbital in C2. True. 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 C2 exists. True. 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 Bond order of C2. 2. 2. 2. In C2, one bond is sigma and the other is pi. False. Both the bonds are pi bonds. False. Both the bonds are pi bonds. False. Both the bonds are pi bonds. Bond order of Li2. 1. 1. 1. 2s2p mixing is present in B2C2N2. 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 2s2p mixing is absent in O2F2 Neon2. O2F2 Ne2. O2F2 Ne2. B2C2N2 order of electron filling is sigma 1s less than sigma star 1s, sigma 2s less than sigma star 2s less than pi 2px is equal to pi 2py less than sigma 2pz less than pi 2px is equal to pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py less than pi sigma star 2pz. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. O2F2 Ne2 order of electron filling is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma star 2px is equal to pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px plus pi 2py, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Hydrogen bonding is seen between H and electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. H bonding is maximum in the solid state and minimum in the gaseous state. True. 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 Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is seen in orthonitrophenol. 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 B2 is diamagnetic or paramagnetic. 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 Paramagnetic.